Hello, this is Ron, and welcome to the Setmore tutorial for beginners. In this guide, I will show you step by step how to use Setmore to manage your appointments, streamline your bookings, and grow your business all from one simple platform. So, very easy. First of all, just head to Google, search for Setmore, click on the first link that is setmore.com. Right now, let's go and check out the pricing before moving forward here. Right, we will do quickly. There's a 3 tiers plan, free, pro, and team here. And here there's a monthly and there's an annually plan. Monthly is slightly expensive. You can come to this website and you can compare everything. Now let's go and click on start free. You can sign up using Google, Facebook, or create your account, which is on your dashboard here. So I will just go and use a Google account because it's easy, seamless to create account. Simply select your account and click on continue. Then it will ask your brand name. So I will just write here Filex Express, that is my brand name. Your industries. So you can select any industry, and irrespective of you choose any industry, your dashboard is not going to change. So I'll just go and choose your designer, then enter your phone number and click on next. Now select your time zone and currency and just go and click on finish. Now slowly it will ask you to, upgrade your plan, but you can close this up. Now this is your entire dashboard, right? So now let's personalize your account. So here you can see there's a lot of stuff here. On the left side, it can collapse and it can reopen. Now if you just go and choose your grow your brand, now here you can customize everything here, right? For example, you can add your business name, description, industry, customize your booking page, URL. So it's easy to remember and share with your clients. You can even choose your brand colors, whether you want rectangular, whether you want square, it's completely up to you. Whether you want light mode, dark mode, right? And you can also check out how it's look over on a desktop and it's on mobile, right? So you can upload your banner, your logo. This is your profile. So let's save it and let's move to your profile. And this is your profile, right? So you can change it. You can change your URL here. And once you upgrade, you can remove this set more, right? So for example, filex.com slash, it will be my username or my name here. Now, whatever the services which we are providing, you can always go and click on new category and you can create it. These are subclasses. So let's see if I want to add a new category. Now let's say 1 hour long session, right? And here I can just go and click on create it. And it's really easy to create, right? So here you can see, right, there's a 1 hour meeting, you can create it. Now you can create classes. So you can create a class to start booking group session. So let's say this is class, and I will just write here class 11th. I've already 10 classes booked. I can write a description and duration, it will be around 40 minutes. There are around 40 seats. Now what's the cost? So the cost is around, let's say, $1,000. What's the location? You can put this as an in-person and there's a no category, and you can just simply just go and click on create. So in this way, you can create it, you can share, you can copy the link, you can share it, you can delete, you can duplicate, edit, right? Now this is a general settings, like in general, basically it's language. Now how your booking page is going to look like, you can customize this up. You can check out the lead time, the booking slot, and there's so much more features. You can always have this option to change it. In fact, you get a lot more very, specific features, right? You can turn this off and turn this on, right? Completely up to you. Now, this is your branded app. So if you have a branded app, it's take a slight time to load. Now, this is how it's look. You can change your app. Not basic, not much more features you can change, but yeah, your app icon and your name. Right now, this is the payment section, so you can integrate with it. So if you want to receive payment, you can simply go with the Stripe, PayPal, Square, Cash, and there's a LawPay. So if I can just go and click on Stripe here and you can select it. Right, so simply if I just want to go and connect, I will just go and click on connected here, right? And it's very simple thing here. You have to just enter your email address and just go and click on submit. So that is really easy and simple thing to do. Now here, this is a booking page, payments. Now it will show up here. Now this is a payment history. And if you want to check out the reports, every reports will be shown up here. So that is really easy thing to do. And now this is billing. So the billing is regarding your internal, set mode, subscription. right? And you can always switch the notifications. All the reviews will show up here, which will given up from your students, your clients, whatever they are. This is security just for the application. You can download this Setmore application. This is the activity centers. It will show you if you have added your team member, then you can check out what they've accessed and what they have created, deleted. You can refer Setmore to your friend. You can copy this link. By the way, if there's a link given in the description, please use that. Now here, let's go to the calendar. So you can set up from here. Now let's say you can also connect you with your Google Calendar or with your Microsoft Calendar, and it will show up here, right? Now I can just simply go and click on top right side corner add or plus icon. Now here I can go and click on new booking. I can set up for this. All these booking sections will show up here. So you can, let's say it's a 15-minute booking. You can add the guest. Now let's say the guest is John here. I can add the video links. I can add my Google Meet or Zoom link here. Then there's a description notes here. And I can even add my class. So on which class for this is, let's say John is for which class. So you can set it here, right? This is an event, remainder, and there's a lot more. And simply just go and click on create, right? So really is a thing to do. Now, for example, let's say you can also create it for the timeline. So this is a 1 week timeline here. Now let's say on the Wednesday or Thursday tomorrow at 10 a.m. So I can create a new event and schedule the entire slot to a specific person. Now this is a services. So what kind of services do you provide? So here you can see we provide 15, 30, and 1 hour long. You can create it from here if you want to add here whether this is a service in class. I've already shown you how you can do that. Now this is a customer. So all the customers data will show up here. You can also import the customers data, which is quite easy. Let's say if I want to add a customer and customer name is a John J. I have to add the name, full name, the phone number, primary address, company, and some basic details to save. Right. So in this way, we can just add a customer, and you can always edit this up, and you can book an appointment for specific customer. This is a payment. I've already shown you how you can integrate it up to accept the payment. These are some of those features. You can also accept payment from the booking page, right? And you have to, first of all, integrate with it. Now, every payment gateway has a different way to integrate. So for example, if I just go to Square, it will ask me to connect. I have to enter my Square email and password, and that's a way to connect it up, right? Quite easy, quite simple. You can also accept the cash. So you can go and select here, cash here, and then you have to just go and click on connect. Now cash register has been accessed. Now this is the integrations. You can integrate with your Zoom, Google Meet, Instagram booking, Instagram streaming. Now let's say I want to go with Instagram booking. Same way, just go and click on get instructions. Now it will show you exactly how you can do that, right? And Setmore has every features, every integration which you need, even Shopify and wherever you want, right? So you can see here there's a lot of integration. If you don't find, even if you don't find the option which you're looking for, you can always request them and they will specially make it available for you. The settings panel, I've already explained it. This is your profile icon and it will show your profile here. So quite easy, quite simple to do, and everything will show up in your calendar dashboard. Right now, this is it. I hope you found this video very useful. If you want to upgrade, there's a link given in it description. It will give you a good discount. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe.